Alright y'all, welcome to the video. Today we are here on Friday, June the 11th. This thing opens tomorrow, but the reason why we are here today is because there might be a soft opening today, which means there might be a couple of rides we can get on this beauty, okay? Well, I would officially like to welcome you all to the series that will be Alpen Fury, a little play on words for Alpen Fury, of course. It's gonna be amazing to be there. We're gonna be there. We're gonna have a ton of friends coming along. It's gonna be a great time. So if you haven't, please subscribe and turn on notifications so that you can get those videos. It's gonna be so much fun. We're gonna have so much, so many adventures, so much silliness, so much goofiness, all of the ridiculousness that comes along with my videos is gonna be all there, and it's just gonna be a blast. So without further ado, let's get this video started, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Basically, jerry-rigged a strap to these glasses, so now it's should be fine to take them on Alpen Fury, so I thought I would include that in the video. Let's get our day started here, eh?
I was just watching like deadly tornadoes and shit like that again.
We are here at Alpen Fury in the poor people queue line that's outside. Girl, where's the shade?
Where's the shade at?
EMS might hate this, just saying. But that's the queue line for the poors, ladies and gentlemen, the regular queue line. Up right there for Alpen Fury.
Yeah.
Why do we have flight deck on our merch? What is it? What? Oh my gosh. The bat being on merch, crazy. I love these blue caps. We'll look at it in a little bit, but look at this kind of, it's almost like a university print right here. Like university like style clothing. Also, shout out to this random just Levi.
They're like, they gotta have them in there somewhere.
They have
so
to have them in
forget
somewhere.
About them.
Exactly. You can't forget apparently. Here.
I just spotted this. What does this remind you of? Millennium Force.
Oh. Uh-oh. Look, they got Minecraft swords in here. Isn't this crazy? Look at all the caps here. Ooh, look at that. The actual logo, and it's like kind of printed right there. I like that. Those are cute. But let me show you something else that's cute too. Look at this hat here. My blue, my favorite colors are blue and teal. This is a completely blue and teal hat, and it's a snapback. I'm assuming this is going to be where you can get your photos as well. Look at that, and look at the rock artwork there in the back too. This looks so clean. Look at it. Wow. Okay, so you can't see it from here, but I'm going to describe it for you. The transfer track is currently gone back over into the maintenance bay, which there was a issue with Orange Train earlier. I don't know if this means it's fixed or not. We will see. Oh, the transfer track is moving right now. Hopefully the delusion pays off. We can get a ride on it today. And look at one more thing here. Look at this goat here. Incredible addition there to have the little goat. So if you can see in there, the lights, yeah, you can see it maybe on camera, I'm not too sure. But the lights go from this blue to orange. So it's meant to kind of simulate the fire and ice coming together as you launch through the mountain. It looks really cool. They just sent Orange Train, so Orange Train is going. Blue Train's up there. I think they were just cleaning it, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so we are in line right now. It is really grown because there is a better than 0% chance that Alpen Fury is going to open here. There's an area soup on one of the trains.
Oh my God, it's already starting.
And so, yeah, the line is really extended a lot. We are about to enter in.
I'm glad this is small enough to Thank you.
All right, awesome. Thank you.
This is crazy.
Yo, this is private. This is private. We're the only ones. We're the only ones here.
We don't go out. Just keep going up. He said
keep going
all the way
up.
Bro, this is about to happen. This is about to happen.
Oh my God. It is.
All clear. Oh, there they go. I'm so proud of Wonderland for this.
All right, so happened to get a POV here. It was by Tristan on his metas, his glasses. So we're gonna play that for you, and I'll tell you all about it after. All right, let's go.
Here we go. Here we go. Hands up. Yeah. Whoa. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Whoa! Oh my God! Oh my God! What the hell? Oh my God! Whoa! Oh my God! Holy shit! What the fuck?
That is one of the most insane rides I've ever done in my life. That is clear number one, and it's not even close, I'm sorry. And the ride felt like it got better as it kept going. The inversions are super whippy. They hit the launch. This launch is pretty wild, and that gives some airtime. And then the main launch is crazy. The top hat is insane. I'm trying to remember. And it's hard for me to put into words what I just experienced. Like it was that crazy. You know, the stall was insane. I'm having trouble. The Skyflyer loop is intense. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say right now. Alpen Fury, clear number one in the park. And I think so many people are gonna just appreciate this ride, and they should, and it should get appreciation. This is incredible. Absolutely, absolutely incredible. Give it a ride if you haven't yet. Oh my goodness, I was not expecting to get a ride today. I don't have words. I don't have words. But I'm gonna go shoot some B-roll and stuff so you guys can enjoy seeing, you know, the ride being open and people on the ride. So we're gonna try to get some B-roll here, and hopefully you you enjoyed that. Wow, wow, wow! I am floored. I'm stunned. This is insane. All right, we are doing ride number 2 on Alpen Fury.
Soon.
And check it out.
The fastest line.
we are going for round number 2. We got help by a friend to get a fast lane one-time use, and so we're going on round number 2. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get B-roll for today, but oh my goodness, I can't wait. Can't wait to do it again. It seems like more and more likely how fast this line is moving that we're going to get a night ride here on Alpen. We'll see which train I get this time. We were on Blue Train the first time. We were in that row, so I think that's row 7. And again, I'm in the line. It's been quite a while since, you know, I got off the ride, and I'm still jittery and shaky and just a mess. And yeah, let's go for round number 2. Let's go.
We say we're 4. Yes. 4, right? You're okay with that? Because I mean, they're gonna film them.
Okay, so we are wrapping up the night. That is 3 rides on Alpen Fury. Oh my goodness, what a ride. I just almost indescribable how good that is. That launch is crazy. The elements are so fast-paced. It's just so good. It's so incredible. I'm out of my mind right now because of this ride. This ride mushed up my brain, and I don't even know how to think. So yeah, but day 1 of Alpen Fury G is now basically in the books. I'm gonna try to get some more B-roll here of it and get the launch sequence. But this is incredible. So great. Oh, I can't wait to come back tomorrow. Like, comment, subscribe, share, do all the fun stuff, and I will see you guys on hopefully that coaster, because wow, it is incredible.